Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring where you stand. Run a speed test and note download, upload, and ping so you have a baseline. Once done, restart your modem, router, and PC to clear transient issues. Connect via Ethernet briefly to compare wired versus wireless performance so you know if the problem is Wi-Fi. Also check distance and obstacles and scan for crowded channels. This shows whether signal or network congestion is the root cause. Now you tackle the device and configuration layer. Update your PC's network adapter drivers and your router firmware. Newer code fixes performance bugs. Then choose the ideal band. Pick 5 GHz for faster throughput when close, or 4 GHz for range. Change the channel to a less crowded one, disable adapter power save settings so the NIC runs full speed, and ensure WPA2 or WPA3 is enabled to avoid slow open networks that throttle connections. Finish by optimizing traffic and coverage. Enable CoS on the router to prioritize your PC or latency-sensitive apps so you get consistent speed. If coverage is weak, move the router to a central high position or add a mesh node or extender to eliminate dead zones. Once done, retest speeds. If problems persist, try another device to isolate the issue, reset network settings to defaults, and contact your ISP with your baseline data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.